Can you see a future for yourself working in rail? Go on, try and picture it. What do you imagine? Your mind probably goes to the people you see as a customer: ticket inspectors, drivers, or those fixing the tracks. Maybe that's not your thing, but there's so much to the industry you don't see. You don't see the people protecting biodiversity around a new redevelopment or designing more energy-efficient trains. You might not think of the tech-savvy staff building apps and innovating with AI and robots to keep people safe. There are the number crunchers, scrutinizing data to streamline processes, the signalers, controlling the smooth running of trains, the creators, making content to influence millions, and so many more. There's more to rail than you might think, and thousands of new roles are opening over the coming years. Ready to get on track to your dream job? Think career. Think rail.